Wanna know how to fix your PUBG Mobile graphics settings not saving? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily fix your graphics settings. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply head towards this arrow icon right here and select settings. Now make sure your graphics settings does not actually work. So select graphics, and now if there is any option to save it to cloud, you need to make sure to save your graphics to cloud as well, which might sometimes be important. So if you don't use a normal login and use guest login, make sure to use and log in from Facebook or Google as well. It helps retain preferences. So make sure to check app permissions. Just simply head towards your settings and then enable storage permissions on PUBG. So if it's still not saving, so make sure to simply restart the game. It will definitely save it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.